Alright, welcome back to MAYA Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be guiding my users on how to set up MAYA Tunnel VPN application on Econet Zimbabwe. So don't forget to subscribe those in Zimbabwe. If you are still a viewer, just know that I've given you a golden chance to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can enjoy all the internet speeds when they are just fresh. So subscribe so that every new video can come at your For You page and you enjoy it before it is down. So tricks will be fast going to your For You page if you subscribe. So do this. Let us head over to Google Play Store and then we download the application called MAYA Tunnel VPN application. MAYA Tunnel VPN. This application is new. It will work in all countries, but specifically right now I'm on Econet Zimbabwe, and those Zimbabweans will enjoy this application and will enjoy a fast, a stable and secure internet access. So let us download this application. So after downloading this application, ensure to open it. But before we continue to this VPN tutorial, just keep in mind that this tutorial is for informational, research and education purposes only. Users, we are not reliable to what users will access, and users may be using this application at their own risk. So users are requested to follow up their internet service providers' terms and conditions. They must also follow the local laws they must accept the acts that are governed in a specific locality. For example, now we are dealing in Zimbabwe, so users must accept the Zimbabwe Act on the internet misuse. So let us continue by consulting the MAYA Tunnel application, and then as you see, I'm going to be dealing with Zimbabwe. We have these servers new, that is, they are updated. As you see, we're going to be looking for this server, and then I request you guys to join the Telegram channel so that you can be keeping up with the important updates. Or place later for a fast and secure internet access. Let us continue by pressing later, and then we are going to do this. Before continuing this application, we are all going to go and gather right here, and then we update our VPN servers. So this is an advert. Let us wait for a few moments so that this advert can finish. A few seconds. As you don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friends. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment if you get any problem. If it works, just comment it has worked. So after updating these servers, let us continue where we have auto select server, and then choose a server that is near to your country's location, or I recommend my viewers in Zimbabwe to select the auto select server, this one. Alright, we're going to go where we have all countries through UDP right here, and then you're going to do this. Go right here, we have all networks, and then after reaching where I have all networks, go where we search from, and then you're going to be searching ZW. We have these servers, we have ZW, Zimbabwe, Econet Neo, off, then on. That means to use this server, you must first put on airplane mode and then off, and then you'll be able to connect. We also have this one, we also have this one, we also have the Victory, we also have that one, the Liquidity Combat. This video is specifically for those that are using Econet. So let us all gather where we have the Econet Neo, where you need to put on airplane mode and then off so that you can be connecting to this server. But you are free to choose all those servers because they are for your country and they are working. Let me continue with this one, and then I'm going to press this one. After putting on airplane mode and then off, I'll be able to connect to a fast, a secure and a stable internet access. Let me show you. You need to put on airplane mode and then off so that this server will be working. Let me choose for you another server. Have this one tap. Let's continue to this one. You can choose another server, but you have unlimited Econet. The unlimited Econet is working. Hope you are seeing. Let us wait for this one to connect. As we are seeing our status, it is still connecting. You must enjoy a fast, a secure and a stable internet access in Zimbabwe. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friends. But I recommend you guys to put on airplane mode and then off, so you'll be able to enjoy. This one will be working in your country. For the interest of time, I sign out.